Steve! Arouse! They're douche.
Yes, now we can play with them.
Don't worry, Jeep Jeep. You go get more seed. I'll cuddle the others in holla in no time. I'm an expert baby chick cuddler, you know.
Mashiv, Slona Khorje.
I thought you never cuddled a baby chick before. I haven't, but I just know I'm going to be a natural chick cuddler. Shh, say a holla.
Huh? How much birdseed do small chicks eat?
Aww.
Diagwitch, I'm Ameer. Huh?
Come back here. This one is definitely Dushaha.
Hey, that tickles.
These chicks don't look tired to me.
Don't worry. I can speak baby chick. I can help them pull a holla. Chip, 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 chip! Oh, no. Now she's douchey.
I don't think it worked, Cuán.
Oh, no. She's douchey Arish. This is impossible. When one chick is in a gullah, another one is douchey. Shh, little chick. Say a holla.
Where are you going? Hey, come back here. Maybe we should read them a story. That always helps me feel ready for bed.
Good idea. All we need to do is get them back in the nest.
Hi, Bamba. Hi, chicks.
Oh, I'm so excited to see these shikini again. Wow, Bamba. Did you build this?
Kidstv. Oh, non gata forsti.
Not so fast, little chick.
That was close. We'll have to make sure not to leave that gata oskulte. There will be no escaping today, aghaidh. This is the best play coop I've ever seen.
How many have you seen?
Just this one, but it's our house. What will we play first? Oh no! The gata! It's oskulte!
But I closed it.
Well, it's definitely not Dunta now.
We better get them back inside.
Brustigi!
All right, Lynn. Gotcha.
Oh, no, you don't.
Come with me, Akara.
How did you get all the way up here?
Definitely Dunta.
Oh, you don't sound happy. You're the Yimasquid.
Why don't we get some books and toys to play with?
On, Moinav. Uskal é seo, uskal é seo, uskal é seo. Dún é seo, Cuán, dún é. Roderm. Tá an gata oscailte.
Dunta, there will be no more escaping today, Acordia.
Move back, baby chicks. We're coming in. Who wants a toy?
Or maybe like to hear a story? Huh?
I don't get it. What's so interesting about the gate?
cupboard is Usculta. They're looking for their bird seed.
They're hungry. That's what they've been trying to tell us this whole time. Oh, we're sorry, Hikini. We didn't know.
I should have known that's what you wanted.
See, Bláithín? If I had left the cupboard, Dúnta, we'd never figured it out. Right, Ling.
Who's ready for story time?
Duran Gyata Bamba? Huh?
Oh.